I got this hot chicken. Alright, peace.
I'm having a small Burger King lunch. That's phenomenal. Apparently it's Whopper Wednesday. Sweet and sour. I know eating fast food and sticking to your fitness goals can be tricky, but luckily I found this app that shows you the healthiest menu items at any restaurant in the entire world. This might be barbecue. Moz sticks. They forgot my fucking marinara. Pretty cheesy and flavorful. I'll just dip in the sweet and sour, I guess. Chicken sandwich that I guess I just forgot to add anything. I'll just add my own, I guess. This is their crispy apple pie. This is vanilla ice cream. That is phenomenal. Hershey's chocolate pie. Do not sleep on this. Honestly, the food's pretty good, but the service is fucking abysmal dog shit. I had to wait like 40 minutes for my food and the workers were rude as shit.
We got Buldak and Wingstop. Look how good that looks. First bite for you. Look at that. Hot honey rub. Ranch. Y'all, it was really just a misunderstanding and it turned like, you know, physical. But it's okay, y'all. We've made up. We're back talking. Like, it's nothing serious. It's not gonna hold us back. Excuse me. Like I said, y'all, we've already made up. Sisters fight. It's okay. Cheers. I would never do that again. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Lisa. Moral of the story, y'all, I just don't think people should try Libras. We're indecisive. We don't know what we're going to do. We don't know. And then you going around fucking provoking us and shit. Like, I don't know if I was going to attack you or not. I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's just hard being a Libra sometimes. Nobody understands me. Because, like, I don't even understand myself, you know? Like, I just wish somebody was on my side, you know? Any Libras, y'all understand? I know y'all understand. Cheers. Bye.
Let's eat some Dave's. I love root beer. This combo. Look how beautiful this sandwich looks. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ooh.
I think I do it every day. The shit's still gonna be good. It tastes just as good as a Whopper, but with a little something special. This shit is really good. I love BK's onion rings, so you can put them wherever the hell you want. This is my new local Burger King since I moved. So far, so good. Bacon, onion rings, a little barbecue sauce. That one, lettuce and tomatoes, basically like an improved rodeo burger. I told them zesty sauce. I didn't get it. That's my fault. I never check. I just trust. Burger King get way too much hate, bro. A little heavy on the salt today, but I'm not mad at it. Really crispy and pillowy. When I tell people BK has really good fries, these are the fries I'm talking about. A little Diet Coke. Sex. Onion rings. I don't know what it is about their onion rings, which is really good. It's time for y'all to throw some respect to the OG. Like, it's just a good chicken sandwich. Y'all be hating. Chase it with the dip fry. What a heavenly combo, bro. Damn, these new Whoppers kind of kick ass. That's so good. I didn't get any sauce. I didn't get any icing with the Cine Minis. Yeah, I think with the icing would be a lot better, but it really wouldn't make it like too much better.
The hot honey flavor with the Buldak is my favorite. If you guys haven't tried this combo yet, you have to. Oh my gosh. Buldak and ranch together is so good too. Cheese sauce. Look how weird this tender looks. That was a lot. Look how cheesy. Last bite. Someone try and name a better combo than this.
Let's eat Dave's Hot Chicken. Do you guys prefer Cane's or Dave's Hot Chicken? Chris Apple Olipop? It's hotter than a witch's cooch.
It's not bad. I'll definitely give this at 2 a.m. Chicken sandwich. Sweet sour sauce. I wish the chicken is a little crispier. Fish sandwich. Not bad either. Jalapeno bites. This is decent too. I don't know why a lot of people don't like Burger King. Chicken fries. regular fries. Regular fries. Overall, Burger King is decent.
Today I got Buldak and Wingstop. I've been sleeping on this new flavor, y'all. 10 out of 10. Wow. Cheers. That was hands down the best bite, y'all. Y'all hear that? Peace and quiet. Alora's at daycare. And by daycare, I mean my sister's house. Period. Y'all, I literally forgot I had these. Wow. Whoa. Last bite.